Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. Artists fight back, battling AI's exploitation of their work. Google's Assistant Makeover unleashing the power of generative AI. Hasbro ventures into AI for tabletop games, but faces AI art restrictions. Now let's dive into the detail. Artists fight back, battling AI's exploitation of their work. Artist Kelly McKernan's artwork was used without her consent to train an artificial intelligence system, prompting her to join a lawsuit against AI organizations. The new wave of generative AI systems is trained on vast amounts of data scraped from the internet, including copyrighted artworks. Artists like McKernan and Eva Tournant are advocating for more regulation and protection against predatory AI companies. Meanwhile, the Performing Arts Union Equity highlights the need for updated copyright laws to ensure fair compensation for artists. As the AI industry faces increasing scrutiny, artists are turning to watermarks and software tools like Glaze to safeguard their creations. Google's Assistant Makeover, unleashing the power of generative AI. Google is set to revolutionize its assistant by leveraging generative AI technologies, as used in ChatGPT and Bard chatbot. In an internal email, Google revealed plans to overhaul Assistant, impacting consumers, developers, and employees. Although supporting both old and new approaches for now, the company has already begun work on the mobile version of the revamped Assistant. With Amazon also working on an AI-powered reboot for Alexa, the tech world is witnessing a shift towards more advanced and intelligent virtual assistants. Google remains committed to Assistant, promising an optimistic future ahead. Hasbro ventures into AI for tabletop games, but faces AI art restrictions. Hasbro, the publisher of popular tabletop games like Dungeons & Dragons and Magic: The Gathering, has announced a partnership with Exploitation, the developers of the digital board game platform Tabletop, to bring AI-driven mechanics to their games. The collaboration aims to deliver innovative gameplay and limitless digital expansions, while also streamlining rules and onboarding for new players. However, the recent decision by Dungeon Masters Guild, the largest third-party digital storefront for Dungeons & Dragons, to restrict the sale of standalone AI art products and AI-generated content may pose challenges. The gaming community eagerly awaits Hasbro's earnings call at Gen Con for more insights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.